Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to boost your VRBO listing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in VRBO website and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the middle, you're gonna find your place for together. Right here, you can select where you wanna go, the dates, and right here the number of the travelers. And then click on search if you want to search for any place to stay in. Right here, you're gonna find your recently viewed properties and some suggestions. And right here in the top, you're gonna find get the app, United States, or any region that you're in, trip boards, list your property, help, my trips, inbox, and lastly, your profile. If you click here, you're gonna find your profile name, your email address. Right here, you're gonna find your 1 key cash balance. You can also view reward activity, go to Tripboard, go to Inbox, My Trip, My Profile, Feedback, Owner's Dashboard, and lastly, Sign Out. So if you click on Owner's Dashboard, you're gonna go to your dashboard, but you need to have at least one listing. In my case, I don't have any listing. So right now, I'm gonna take you guys to this guide, where I found how the Boost program works. So right here, the Boost programs allow Premier hosts to use power-ups to improve a property's listing position in our search results. You can use it to boost a listing during the season to or promote upcoming calendar availability. Log into your VRBO partner account, select Boost from the sidebar. If you have more than one property, select the property you wish to boost from the property list. Select Choose Dates to boost. You can also select dates directly from the calendar in Market Maker. Use the calendar to select the date range you'd like to boost. Select the number of power-ups you'd like to use. After you have selected the dates and numbers of power-ups, the boost page will display your current search position and a forecast of new search position resulting from the boost. Select Accept. The page will display your boost summary, and lastly select Confirm. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.